you can make money with your banking apps without any capital. If you check your Opay or PalmPay app and the rest, you'll see an area that has a referral code or a referral link, all right? So some of these banks, they serve you very well, and you're introducing your friends, your partners, your business associates to them, all right? So instead of just telling them download this app, you can give them that your link or that your referral code, so they can use that to download the app, and the bank pays you for advertising for them, because every day you're advertising, but who is paying you for your advertisement? Maybe nobody, all right? So get to those banks, check your referral codes, give it to them, and if they use that to pay, I think there's some banks that pay as much as 1,000 naira if somebody uses your link to, download their app like that. You can make some side income from that. And if you have a community and all that, you can use it, not just in Nigerian account, even Payoneer and some other foreign things. You can use referral codes to earn some commissions from advertising. So instead of you just advertising for free, you can get paid to advertise these banking services to your friends, your colleagues, your associates, and make some side income without any capital from these banking apps. All right, hope this was of value to you, and go make some money and tell us your story. All right, see you in my next video.